Hello, how are you, dear students? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is very important, topic of political science, history and international relations. And the topic is constitutionalism. Means constitution is a body of rules. Constitution means the implementation of that constitution in letter and spirit. Now let us move to our topic, constitutionalism. The term constitutionalism occupies an important place in the national politics of any state. Constitutionalism connotes a desire of the people for a political system governed by the prevalent laws and rules. Constitutionalism means a country must have constitution that should be definite, precise, devoid of ambiguities, comprehensive, covering the whole internal system, but also respond to international global system. Majority of political philosophers emphasize that it should stand for supremacy of law, must have universally recognized, and not of the individuals, monarchs, autocrats or dictators. Constitutionalism imbibes the principle of nationalism, democracy, responsibility, accountability, respect for human rights and dignity, and with limited governmental powers. It provides a system of effective resistance upon governmental actions. It may be either through parliament, through judiciary, or any public opinion. It should be a body of rules and regulations ensuring social, economic, and political liberty of the people, thus rendering the government responsible to the wishes of people. Constitutionalism stands for a system having division of powers and an arrangement of check and balance so that government may not abuse its power and remains responsible to the people. And this system of check and balance is prevalent in the United States of America. No organ of state, either Congress, either President, either Supreme Court, interfere in the affairs of another functioning. That's why they are following Montesquieu's check and balance, and that's why they are accurately and properly followed. The political concept of constitutionalism has changed and evolved from time to time according to the changing circumstances and aspirations of the people. Wish you good luck. See you in next lecture. Thank you. Please subscribe and share with your friends.